Hello, my name is Allie, and I'm going to teach you all about this toaster. It has all these little accessories. So if you push this, then first let me teach you about this toaster first. Now, if you push this button, then the toaster will come out. And so if you don't want it, you can just push it back in. So this switch makes it to bread and to bread. Bread to bread. I don't know. So you can switch to different kinds. And these are the buttons for fried egg and for gravy, for jam or something, I don't know. And for bacon. And this is the switch that you can turn it off or very loud or medium.
Wake up, wiggle your toes. The toast pops up and the rooster crows.
And you can press
Yellow.
this button.
The egg is white and yellow.
And this is
Red. The bacon slices are red.
one.
Purple. The grape jelly is purple.
No, this is for colors and for these things. So let me teach you all about them. Now this is the spoon and fork, or where you can eat with spoon
Turn the
or
green
fork.
dial to make white toast.
And this is fried egg, and you can eat this with the spoon. Scoop it up and then eat. Nom, nom, nom. And then once you're done, you can just put it back and scoop the bacon out, then eat it. And put it back. And then if you press,
Pop the toast.
then you can get the toast out. And then instead of these, you can get these out.
For breakfast.
You can get these out and put these in. See, they can perfectly fit. And instead of that, you can just put the toast, and you can open this, and you can do this. Then you can get this. You can get this knife,
Put the
and
brown
you can
bread
get this
into
spoon,
the
and then
toaster.
scoop some jam out, and then put it on here. And then you can do it on the other one. And then once you're done, you can push this and it'll close. Or stop. Tori, you can't be in the video. Tori, make it in the video. No, stop it, no. Our video's ruined. Video's ruined.
It's okay.
Now I have to start all over again.
It's okay.
How am I
Well,
going to start all over again?